All right, here's my little 10-year-old's bedroom tour. I know a lot of people have issues with finding furniture for a little boy, but it really wasn't that hard for me. I already knew what I wanted, so yeah. So when you first walk in the room, you're meted and greeted by these little men climbing the wall. I got this from the Container Store. They're pretty cool. They're little coat racks, and it's pretty cool for a little kid. They like it. And then the main focal point is this huge mural of basketball. So right now it looks like the basketball is in the net, but everyone gets mesmerized. How you say it? Mesmerized by this mural because it's so pretty. Everybody that comes over, they're like, I like this room better than Camille's room. And I actually be getting my feelings hurt a little bit, but I totally get it. This mural is like everything, and it's so real. It's soft to the touch. And the guy who put it together did a great job because he pasted it on, so it's like seamless. You can't even tell. It's really nice. And he loves his room. So over here you got 2 bookcases and his dresser and 2 nightstands. Now I know it seems a little weird to have those nightstands by it, but it just fit there the best, so we could give him more room on the other side of the room to, you know, use his basketball goal and lounge. And he don't really need the nightstand next to his bed because he has a computer desk next to a bed where he can put his lamp on that and flick it on and off if he needs to, or whatever he needs to do with his phone. He can sit it right next to him. So I mean, it's okay. And then whatever he's gonna store in there, which is probably nothing, there'll be some junk anyway. But yeah, plenty of storage in the front. Now if you swing around to the other side, you got your bed, a goal, and a computer desk. So that's what I was referencing, talking about the computer desk. So if you go to sleep, he can sit all his stuff right there. So right there, he got his he got the remote to the TV sitting right there. And then he got this nice basketball chair that I love in this nightstand. So in the nightstand, there's actually a outlet, so he can plug everything up in there. And if he want to charge his phone, he can do it there. Them nightstands don't have that. Nightstands ain't got no outlet. So his bedroom set came from Amazon. It's really nice. Got it for the Lolo, and I like it because it raises up and there's a whole bunch of storage under there. So there's like a little strap right here. You can just pull it up. So that's where I'm keeping his extra linen, and it looks like he got a pair of shoes under there. But yeah, so you got storage right there, and he ain't gotta worry about it raising up on him because it's pretty heavy duty and it's air shocked. So he even have to have some weight to put it back down too. So his comforter set came from Restoration Hardware, along with all his furniture except for the bed. Bed came from Amazon. So yeah, and he got Pickle Rick on the bed. If you watch Rick and Morty, you know what I'm talking about. That was like the best episode. And then we got this curtain. I got that off of Amazon too, but I would like to get him one of those shades that raises up, kind of like folds up. And I think that would be best for him over that bed because the window is not as big as the curtain is making it seem like it is. But it's just working for right now. It's just to keep people from CNN. So CNN, no pun intended. Yeah. So the basketball goal, I got that from Hobby Lobby. I like it. It's wooden. They dunked on it so bad that it fell off, so it had to be remounted with better anchors, but it ain't fell off since. In this area, we plan on putting a little love sack, some type of beanie bag that he can plop on. And then on this wall, the TV used to be there. That's why there's a weird outlet spot there. But we're gonna put a big Kevin Durant poster on there because he likes Kevin Durant. And then over here, he got this sign from RH2, where all his other furniture came from. And it says what it says, so I guess I can't be in here that long because he gonna kick me out. Well, I guess I can be in here because I'm a woman, I ain't a girl, so I can stay in here. So, yeah, this is it. Basically everything from Restoration Hardware, except for the bed. The TV's old. The TV's really old. It's from Walmart. Everybody know about the Vizio TVs. All you gotta do is stick a Fire Stick on there and then everything's a smart TV. Which it was a smart TV, but it's even better. This little piggy bank I got from Hobby Lobby. Here's one of these football pictures. That picture frame came from Hobby Lobby too. Yep. In the future, like I said, I would like to get a bean bag to stick right there, and his favorite Kevin Durant poster. And I would like to get a little rug, a little area rug to tie everything in. So it'll possibly be orange, probably orange. And I think that orange and gray, I think it'll bring everything in the room together. And then because they are Jack and Jill rooms, he have his own little closet and his own little bathroom area. So he got a little nice padded rug from Amazon. These little cabinet pools are basketballs as well. I haven't been able to find him some basketball like toothbrush holders and all that stuff, but there are some out there, but they aren't the right look that I would like for him. So I'm just trying to wait patiently, so hopefully I'll run into something that I like that will actually match. Like I don't want this light wood, I need like the dark brown that'll go with it, with the room. But yeah, how can you not like this room? If I was a teenage boy, I'd be jumping off the walls. But yeah, it's really nice. And then I forgot totally about that lamp, that huge task lamp over there. It was supposed to go by the computer desk, but it just does better over there. That corner is kind of dark, so it'll bring some light in, and you can bend it and turn it whichever way you need to. That's from Restoration Hardware as well. But this mirror, this mural, why can I not talk? I said mesmerized, mural. Yeah, I'm getting it right now. But yeah, this sets it off. This is real nice. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. I hope y'all like that, and I'll try and link everything in the description below. Thanks for watching. I see the way she checking for a gangsta.